KevG weather overview, looking at Christmas week, and it looks as though the weather is going to cooperate for the most part. We're going to have mainly seasonable temperatures. There will be a few odd warm days here or there. I think maybe Wednesday we could get up into the mid and upper 40s. So not too bad. The early portion of the week is cold, or reasonable temperatures for this time of year, highs around 40. And then we go back up, and then by the weekend we'll come back down. So a little bit of a roller coaster, but nothing too dramatic. Now, if you recall, just a couple days ago we had record highs. So I'm not expecting that this week. It's just going to be around seasonable for this time of year and no real big storms to contend with. Now, when you look at the weather map for Tuesday, high pressure is in control of our weather. There's a storm to our south, and the flow is not going to allow this storm to come up the eastern seaboard. It's going to go way out to sea. It's only going to affect Florida and the southeast with some rain. So Wednesday afternoon, that storm goes by. We see nothing from it. High pressure remains in control. And then as we get out to about Christmas Eve, the weather pattern still remains quiet. And then as we go into Christmas Day on the afternoon, we may see northern areas catch a few rain showers as this disturbance goes well to our north. In fact, if you're looking for a white Christmas, you may want to try heading up to northern portions of Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, because the same system, they'll be on the cold side of that system. And that'll be moving through Saturday into Sunday. So by Sunday, it looks like our winds turn more northerly and it turns more brisk, and we get back into a colder weather pattern, but nothing too terrible. It's basically looking like temperatures that are about normal for this time of year, but you will notice the change from day to day. As we get out to about next Tuesday, this might be our next chance for precipitation, but it looks to be in the liquid variety. Now, I like to look at the 2-meter temperatures and see how far above and below normal we are. And the blue areas indicate below normal, but this is for Monday and Tuesday. But then you can see it's short-lived. Those temperatures sort of get replaced by near normal temperatures, and then we stay a bit mild for Wednesday into Thursday. And this is for Wednesday afternoon. You can see very warm air over much of the lower 48 states. And then as we get into into Christmas Day, you can see there's a lot of warm air in the center part of the country. And that makes a push east. So depending on the timing of that, we may start Sunday with a warm push of air, only to be replaced by colder air. So that's just going to be a matter of timing. But you can see not a lot of cold air staying power on the weather maps, as warm air can make inroads in this pattern, and it could keep things at least seasonable and maybe a few degrees above that. So with our highs today, we're only expecting around 42. This is from NOAA. 40 tomorrow, a cold day. As we get into Tuesday, our temperatures quickly swing back up again. It's 46. And then the same thing for Wednesday, pretty reasonable. And 41 for Thursday as colder air moves back in for a time. And then we go back up again on Friday for Christmas Eve with highs in the upper 40s. So we will see minor subtle changes in temperatures, nothing too extreme on either side of the ledger through the next 7 to 10 days. The weather pattern looks dry, and it doesn't look like snow is in the offing for the next 10 days, at least towards the immediate tri-state area. You got to go way up into New England to see anything of consequence, maybe around Christmas Day.